Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to look at Alice Keeler's QuickShare screenshot. This is an extension that allows you to take a screenshot, so whatever you're seeing on your screen, and you can easily share it with others because it syncs with your Google Drive. Let's take a look. First thing we're going to do is add to Chrome. So it says it can read and change all your data on the websites you visit. It sounds kind of scary, but I promise you can trust Alice Keeler. And it's basically just saying that it needs to read the websites you're seeing and it needs access to your Google Drive. So it's reading and changing. And just go ahead and click Add Extension. I promise it's okay. And then it has been successfully added. If we want to make sure that this extension is always available up here in the extension toolbar, click that puzzle piece and make sure that you pin the extension by making it blue. And then, of course, you can drag and drop it wherever you want it to be. Now, let's see what it can do. We're going to go to npr.org. We want a picture of our new president. So we come over to the extension and you click on it. And it gives you the option to take a full screen or a partial screen. So let's start with our full screen. And it says uploading and the URL is ready. So really the next thing you can do is a Control V and it's going to say, that's to paste, sorry. And it will always say screenshot URL colon, and then it gives you that address. So if I get rid of the screenshot URL, I can take us right to that screenshot. Now, all of the files are going to be called untitled. It doesn't really bother me. If it bothers you, you can come over here to those three dots and you can rename to be Biden. But the most important thing we need to do right now is go to our Google Drive because you're going to have a new folder called QuickShare Screenshot. We want to change the permissions at the folder level. So right click and click on that share button. And I've done this already, so I don't really need to change it, but you want to make sure that anyone with the link can view. Okay, once we change it at the folder level, any screenshot we take will be easily shared with anyone we want to share it with. So let's say I want to do a partial screenshot. I'm going to click up here, take partial. Then I get this little plus sign, right? So then I drag, and that's the portion that I want to share. So now when we do that pasting, we can come over here and see that it's just that portion of the web page. So it's kind of a cool way to share pieces of student work, or if you have something that you need them to really take notice of. It's another way to maybe say like, hey, this is what I saw when I was checking your work, because when we do kind of those feedback loops, we might see student work when they just have like the introduction of an essay done. So I want them to know that's what I've seen, and here's my feedback tied directly to that. So screenshots are a great way to communicate with your students. It's a great way to tell me what's happening with some extensions or things of that nature. So please, please, please give Alice Keeler's QuickShare screenshot a chance, and I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions, and thanks so much for watching.